Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so happy to have you. I would love it if you'd hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up if you like it before leaving. So today's video is going to be a continuation of my Mascara Madness series. This is video number 4. If you have not seen 1, 2, or 3, I will link it down below so you can find it easily. But the whole reason why I started the Mascara Madness series is because I tried the L'Oreal Lash Paradise that everyone seems to love, and I didn't love it. So far I have not found one, I should say, that has topped this Maybelline Total Temptation. So everything is competing against this for this time being. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I already did all of my makeup minus my eyes, so I'll link it down below what I'm wearing. We're gonna use the Sultry palette to do my eyes. I love that it comes with a dual end brush, so you already have that in here. I'm just going to do a quick and easy look because we're going to focus mainly on the mascara for this video. So I know so many people love the Lash Paradise, but the whole reason why I do not love it is because on my eyelashes, it dried, it flaked, it got in my eye while teaching. Also, I noticed that the tube dries up like 4 times quicker than any other tube of mascara I have ever owned. So you don't really get a good usage out of it either. Like, it doesn't last very long. But I really didn't like it falling into my eyes while teaching because that was super painful trying to pull out those little specks of caked up black mascara out of your eyes while teaching. Not fun. This palette, by the way, if you have not bought it yet, is so pretty and it is so easy. The colors just blend together like effortlessly. I will tell you that the mattes do have some fallout, but the shimmer shadows, they're like butter. They just glide on and just kind of go together. So pretty. Okay, so that's all I'm going to do for my eye makeup today. I'm just going to make it super simple and easy so we can focus on the mascara. So I do have my eyelash curler and I have my Maybelline Total Temptation. And then I told you I bought the beauty box of mascara. This is my first beauty box ever from Target. And last time we did this Neutrogena Healthy Glow one, which is great if you're going to the pool or beach. So we're just gonna work right in. So we did this one last time. So today we're gonna do the L'Oreal Voluminous Original. Go ahead and take that out. I love that these are full sizes too. So I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes because that's something that I always do before applying mascara. It's just a habit. If you have long lashes or you don't really like curling them, it's a step that you could skip. But I just like how it kind of gives more volume and curled my lashes. Okay, so on this side I'm going to put my Maybelline Total Temptation. Like I said, if you do about 3 coats of this, it will look exactly like the Lash Paradise. I know that you use more of it, but these tubes last so much longer, and I don't have a problem with them flaking or falling into my eyes. So that's just 1 coat of the Maybelline Total Temptation. I love how it gives definition, it lengthens, it doesn't clump. Okay, on this side we're going to use the L'Oreal and see how it compares. Let's go ahead and compare the brushes because I've been doing that in all the videos too. So on this side is the Maybelline, and then right on this side is the L'Oreal. They don't look too much different. The L'Oreal looks like the brush is more compact, so you have less space in between the bristles. So let's see what that does. Oh, it's pretty. It definitely is a good black color. You can see right away that it's nice and stark. It's doing the same thing though as all the other mascaras. I don't know if you can tell on camera. In person I can tell. It lengthened them, it separated them. I don't see any clumps, which is once again great. It just doesn't look as much, it doesn't look as full, like as thick. So let's see if we can build that up, but it definitely is pretty. So let's go ahead and put a second coat of the Maybelline. All right, so that's 2 coats of Maybelline. You can just see how nice and thick and defined they look. I just love it. Let's go ahead and put a second coat of the L'Oreal. I like that this formula seems very creamy, but I'm hoping it builds up nicely. Let's see. My lashes in person do look longer. On the L'Oreal side, ooh, it's starting to build up. It's starting to kind of look like the Maybelline side. I'm kind of liking the way this one looks. It's a little bit even longer than the Maybelline side. Okay, let's do one more coat of each. This is promising. All right, let's go ahead with one more of Maybelline. Sorry, my daughter just turned 3 and she does not want to nap, so you might hear her talking to her stuffed animals or singing during our video. So I apologize if you do, but it's super cute. All right, so that's 3 coats of the Total Temptation. Now let's go ahead and do the L'Oreal side. I have to say, now I like the Maybelline Total Temptation one, and so far nothing has beat it. But right now, this side, my eyelashes feel a little bit drier. Now granted, this tube is older. This one's obviously brand new. But this side feels a little bit like kind of thicker and drier, whereas this side feels very like conditioned, like you put conditioner in your hair and moisturized, and it so far looks promising. So let's go ahead and do one more coat. Okay, I'm starting to get a couple of clumps, putting it on 3 times, but it looks really pretty. But I am starting to get clumps with this one that I'd have to work through, which I'm not a fan of getting clumps. So I'd have to work with this one a little bit. But look at that. It really doesn't look that much different. And it just feels like more hydrated and nourishing for my lashes. Ooh. I'm impressed. Okay, so I think that I found one that is comparable finally to my Maybelline Total Temptation. And I really like the way that it feels and it kind of glides on my lashes. So I think I found a contender. I'm going to continue wearing this mascara by L'Oreal for a couple of weeks, and we're gonna see if it makes it into my Mascara Madness against other ones. It just might, because I am really liking it. It looks just like the other one, but I really like the way it feels better. Ooh. Okay, so I'm gonna continue wearing this and we'll see if this is my one that we're going to beat next time or not. So I hope that you will tune in for my next Mascara Madness video, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye guys.